Wednesday. We are getting ready to go to the cruise port. We're on Princess Discovery today, so we're excited, and please come along with us to see what we're going to get into. First day, embarkation. Okay, so outfit of the day, black t-shirt, jeans, and some black sneakers and shades, and I'm taking my little jacket with me too. All right. Okay, we decided to take a Uber to the cruise port, so we are headed there now. And I tell you, it's nothing like when you're riding to the cruise port and you get that first glimpse of your ship. It is just so amazing. The excitement was so great to see the Princess Discovery. We had pre-ordered our medallions, so we were able to go through the green line, and we were on the ship in less than 20 minutes.
In a Lotus Spa, deck 5 forward. The spa team, Sophie, our manager, and her team are going to be doing salon and enclave tours, and your opportunity to sign up for treatments and events.
All right, we're here at our muster station. It is like a casino, so we're gonna get that done, and then we're gonna go get some lunch. Thank you. Okay, thank you.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you. First meal. Started off with a little fruit, a little watermelon honeydew, got a nice little salad, some chicken curry, and this is a coconut fish curry. After lunch, we headed to Swirls because, of course, you know, I had to get my first ice cream cone on the ship. All right, got that ice cream. After eating that delicious ice cream, it was time to head to Lotus Spa for the spa tour.
Please welcome to our villa. Here we can do side by side couples massage. Okay, it's so big enough that even if it's snow, you're not gonna hear each other. Okay. So these are the different signature services that we offer here on board. When was your last couples massage?
Please watch the safety
We did it last year.
On a cruise?
On a cruise,
Oh,
yes, and
okay.
it was wonderful.
What treatments did you have?
I did I did the hot rocks, and you did the, what was that? The bamboo? Was it the bamboo or? Okay. Yeah.
So you like intense deep massage, right?
It was a deep, yes.
So since you already tried the stone and the bamboo, this is so beautiful. I love this Thai herbal bodies. You can smell it. You can smell it.
Now what is that for?
So this one is a therapeutic treatment, especially for the muscle tightness, for the muscle inflammation, fluid retention. It's a #1 treatment, okay? Because what we do, we heat it up. It's gonna be nice and warm with the tapping, the kneading movement, along with the hands-on deep tissue massage. So the heat helps you penetrate the ingredients into your muscles, okay? That's why. And the good thing about the Thai herbal bodies, it's gonna help to relax your body as well as your mind with the sense of the aroma. So you get 2 in 1.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And then this is also one of my favorite, the pink,
Salt rock?
yeah,
Yes.
the restorative salt stone.
Nice.
So
You heat these up too? Or?
yes, it's gonna be nice and warm. The difference is like for the hot stone, it helps to relaxes your body. However, this one, because of the contents of the minerals and vitamins inside, okay, it helps to remineralize your muscles, balance your energy. Really good for the like for the inflammation, for the muscle tightness. It's a beautiful treatment. Every treatment comes with either a hands-on deep tissue or a soothing, relaxing massage. Yeah.
Okay.
So if you want more of therapeutic as well as relaxation, the restorative soulstone, the pink Himalayan soulstone is a great option. If you want more of therapeutic as well as like mind relaxation, the Thai herbal palm is okay. So the embarkation special, you book it today, receive it today, you get 25 minutes extra time.
Okay.
So basically you will receive 75 minutes for 50-minute price or 100 minutes for the price of 75. This is our enclave. The most relaxing place in the entire ship, okay?
Yes, now this is what we
And a
normally
cold
do.
towels for your face.
Oh, I love this. Yes, we did this the last time too. This was our favorite. Yes.
Turkey towel.
Oh, the steam room. Ooh, look at that steam. Oh my gosh, it's so nice and warm. Oh yeah.
And you can enjoy 4 different types of tropical weather shower experience. This is also another swim room, the council room, where you can slide off. You have the dry swimming room.
Oh, it feels so good in here. You feel that steam? You want to go in? Feels good. I know, you ready to get, yeah, I'm ready to get in there.
The openings are from 8 o'clock in the morning.
All right, guys, we're on Princess Discovery. We're in the room. This is our room, guys. Isn't it pretty? We're in room 326. Just to give you guys a quick little tour. This is the door. When you come in, you have a nice mirror here. Drop your medallions. You can have another mirror here. Your closet, very spacious closet. Very spacious closet. Also, you have your bathroom, your sink. Oh, they have some nice body lotions and hand wash. You have a shower and tub combo, which I love if you want to take a shower. Full body mirror. Over here is your bedroom area. You have a nightstand on both sides, queen bed configuration. And look here, you have a nice TV over here, curtains if you want to close them. And then you have a living space area here. And another TV. All right, and next we're gonna go out to the balcony. We're gonna head out to the balcony. There we go. It's always getting that door open. Nice balcony area. Oh yeah, this is spacious, pretty spacious, guys. You have your table, your chairs. And look at San Pedro. We're leaving out of San Pedro. Isn't this just lovely? All right, so this is our little mini room tour showing you guys what a suite room looks like. Okay, thank you. All right. Thank you so much. Take the tray.
Yeah, take the glasses.
Oh, the glasses. Thank you.
Here's your
Okay.
glass, sir.
Glass of champagne, complimentary.
All right, thank you.
Enjoy
Enjoy
and
and welcome aboard.
Yes,
Thank you.
okay, thank you. After enjoying our glass of complimentary champagne, it was time to head to the subway party.
Alessandro Genzo. Hello, on Discover Princess. We have 1,350 crew members, and they all come from over 60 nationalities.
sail-away party, we headed in to listen to some nice jazz with a couple of cocktails, and of course, you know, after the cocktails, it was definitely time for a nap before dinner. And then let me get a dirty banana also. All right, hi guys, we are up. It's 8 o'clock p.m. We're on the Discovery Princess, and we're at the Crown Grill waiting to have dinner. So just wanted to share with you all the features and the options that you will be able to get on the Crown Grill. All right, thank you so much. Thank you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Take the table.
Thank you so much for coming in tonight.
Okay.
Onboard.
All right, thank you.
Luckily, I got this table out, so I said, okay, why not? I'll give you a lovely table for you.
All right, thank you.
Michael.
Yes.
So I'm Jennifer. A
Yes.
very
Good
good evening. Fresh baked bread,
evening.
yeah. Cold water is okay.
Yes, that's perfect.
No, you're good.
My name is Misael from Philippines. Gonna be your waiter tonight.
Okay, thank you.
Do you have any lemons?
Yes, sir. Again, a warm welcome on board to this beautiful Discovery.
Thank you. We both ordered the Caesar salad for our appetizer and enjoyed the wonderful fresh bread. All right, I did the lamb chops, baked potato loaded. We got mushrooms, spinach, and hubby has fish. What is that?
Sea bass.
Sea bass. Dinner was amazing and we were exhausted. After dinner, we decided to go to bed. Thank you all for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.